Okay, so this is your video on sending your toy to the printer. So you got your toy. You need to make sure it's the right size before you send it. That's on you. You are going to click export. You want to make sure it says everything in the design, because if you didn't group it and you have this one selected, then you're only going to get the parts you have selected. So you need to make sure it says everything in the design. You're going to click STL, and that downloads it. And then you're going to go to polar3d.com. And you're going to sign in with Google. And then you're going to upload your file. See, there it is. Last name toy. And you're going to click upload. It's going to upload it. We're going to load it to build plate. Look, there it is. Over here, you choose your printer based on the colors. Settings. You need to make sure it's at 15%. It's at 2 or 3, whichever. This one comes out faster. I'm going to go with 3 because I have very simple shapes. This is where things get a little more chaotic. You need to make sure you have brim chosen or raft. Go with raft. If you need a lot of supports, like you can see my toy here, there's a gap in between the base of it and the build plate, so I'm going with raft. If you don't have a gap between the bottom of your toy and the base plate, then you need to just say, you can just say brim. And then right here, this is very important, you need to change this to say everywhere, because if you have any overhangs anywhere else in your design, you need these supports. I definitely need it between the build plate from here to here. So mine would have been okay doing touching build plate because there's no gaps from the base of the car up. But if you're unsure, just click everywhere. Better safe than sorry. And then you click print. And you go back to Canvas and click done. Now, if there's errors, whatever, who knows why, you can always go through objects over here, and look, there's the ones I'm working on, and you can click on it and click 3D print, 715. You can also go to printers, and whatever printer you chose, go away, you can click on it and you can be like, oops, I messed up, cancel. Look at the time, 2 hours and 35 minutes. If yours is saying over 3 hours, you need to see me because you did something wrong. So I'm going to remove this because I'm actually not going to print my car. So that's sending your toy to the printer.